Good day, everyone. Welcome to our new lesson today, which is graphing linear equation in two variables. First of all, let me present to you our objectives. First, determine whether the given ordered pair is a solution or not to a linear equation in two variables. Second, graph linear equation in two variables given A. Any 2 points, B. The x and y intercepts, and C. The slope and a point. Lastly, describes the graph of a linear equation in terms of its intercepts and slope. For you to recall, this is the quick review. What is linear equation? Linear equation is an equation between two variables that gives a straight line when plotted on a graph. As part of review, I will be giving a 3-item activity about a topic that we've discussed. Identify if the given equation is linear in two variables. Number 1, y equals 4x plus 3. Number 2, y equals negative 5x squared minus 1. And number 3, x plus 4xy equals 7. After answering, I need 3 representatives to go in the board and answer. The answer is number 1, yes, x and y are in degree 1. Number 2, not linear since the degree of x is 2. And number 3, not linear since the degree of x and y is 4. Let me present to you our lesson today is about graphing linear equations in two variables. Is there anyone here know the answer of the following two questions if what form of linear equation it is? Number 1, it is written as ax plus by equals c where a, b, and c are real numbers. Yes, the answer is standard form. Number 2, it is written as y equals mx plus b where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Yes, correct. The answer is slope-intercept form. Linear equations in two variables have two forms, namely standard form and slope-intercept form. Standard form can be written as ax plus by equals c, and slope-intercept form can be written as y equals mx plus b. Here is the example equation for the standard and slope-intercept form. The form 2x plus 5y equals 20 is a common form of the equation of the line called standard form. And the equation y equals 2x plus 6 is a common form of the equation of the line called the slope-intercept form. Now that you know what the two forms of linear equation look like, let's proceed on the steps on how to graph the standard and slope-intercept form. First, this is the steps on how to graph the standard form or the ax plus by equals c. Step number 1, solve the equation for y. Step number 2, choose values of x. Substitute each value in the equation and find the corresponding value for y. Third, make a table and make the ordered pairs. And lastly, plot the ordered pairs and connect the points. This is the steps on how to graph the slope-intercept form. Step number 1, write the equation in the form y equals mx plus b. Second, plot the y-intercept b at 0b. Third, draw the line through the 2 points. And lastly, use the third point to check.
And now, let's try this example. Make a table and graph for 4x plus y equals negative 2. This is the solution following the steps on how to graph the linear equation. Step number 1, solve for y. 4x plus y equals negative 2 and the y is negative 4x minus 2. So the slope is negative 4 and the y-intercept is negative 2. Step number 2, choose the x values and solve for the corresponding values of y. We let negative 1, 0, and 1 for the x values. Step number 3, make a table and record the ordered pairs. So you should only substitute the x values to the equation negative 4x minus 2 and you come up to this ordered pair. Negative 1, 2, 0 and negative 2, 1 and negative 6. And last step, step number 4, plot the ordered pairs and connect the points. So this is the graph for the equation y equals negative 4x minus 2. So I think everyone is ready for this board activity. So get one whole sheet of paper and answer these equations on your own. And I need two representatives to go in the board to show their answer. So this is the two equations that we need to answer. Number 1, graph 4x minus 3y equals 15. Number 2, make a table and graph for 3x minus 4y equals 8. That would be all today. Thank you everyone for listening. See you tomorrow.